let us come to what are the mistakes that people generally make. When I used to tell, particularly the old generation people, where do you invest, the answer would in 50% of the case will be, मैं तो इंश्योरेंस में इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, विच इज ऑक्सीमोरन। मतलब आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो और वो भी इंश्योरेंस में, वो समझ में नहीं आने वाली बात है। इंश्योरेंस और इन्वेस्टमेंट को कभी भी मिक्स नहीं करना चाहिए। if you are fond of spicy and sweet dishes, you do not mix them and then eat. You take एक एक कौर दोनों का लेते हैं। इसी तरह से आपको इंश्योरेंस और इन्वेस्टमेंट दोनों को मिक्स नहीं करना चाहिए। इंश्योरेंस के लिए आपको जैसे बताया, प्योर टर्म प्लान खरीदो, ऑनलाइन टर्म प्लान खरीदो। और इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए यू कैन गो फॉर वेरियस असेट क्लास अंडर द म्यूचुअल फंड। आप डेट स्कीम भी खरीद सकते हैं, आप इक्विटी स्कीम वगैरह भी खरीद सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन योर एलोकेशन। अगर आप इंश्योरेंस में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो जैसे कहते हैं, दुविधा में दोनों गए, माया मिली न राम। यू नाइदर गेट द एडिक्वेट रिटर्न, नॉट the adequate return over the year. Moreover, when you commit, you buy insurance investment product, the premium is normally high. So in situation like this pandemic, you do not get the flexibility to pay. So suppose अभी आपको घर, suppose आपका नौकरी छूट गया है, और suppose your pay is reduced, or you are not able to do your business, then it becomes very difficult to pay those high premium. So you can buy same amount of insurance with a far lesser amount, and may probably decide not to invest in equity mutual fund if you are segregated, if your cash flow does not permit you that. Some people are not able to differentiate between saving and investment. They just think कि मैंने, मेरा सैलरी आया और उसमें सेम डे आई हैव transferred money in a fixed deposit and I've done the investment. Investment is not just making money or depositing money in your uh, FD. It is more than that. So try to understand that. So for, as a thumb rule, how much you should save. If you start saving from your career, start of your career, पहला सैलरी से, अगर if you invest minimum 30% of your net take home salary, you will retire like a king. Retire like a king. Take it from me. Take it from me. Because the benefit of compounding will help you grow your investments over the year substantially. Some of the people commit the mistake of buying products which are tagged as a child plan or retirement plan. So for planning of your child's goal or retirement goal, as I told earlier, you need not buy the product which has a tag, this is specific tag. You can simply buy equity mutual fund product. As in the previous example of flat and shares, 100 rupee becoming 200, the people come to the conclusion because the flat investment is good, because they just estimating that which is the good return, and do not actually calculate the return. So when you commit or when you evaluate any investment, please calculate the actual return, so which will probably give you surprise and shock that which investment you thought was good is not actually good. Some of the people jump into the product without realizing the risk involved. People used to invest money in under construction property without realizing that there are many risks, including the risk of default. Likewise, people lend money to private parties at little or substantially higher rate of return interest. One of my friend had lent 40 lakhs rupees in cash to his friend, which he is not able to recover. So because this happened because he did not evaluate the risk of first lending the money in cash and then lending so much money to a single person. So please evaluate the risk involved in your investment. There are people who do not map their investment. They just make investment for the sake of investing. I've already explained what is the importance of mapping your investment with the goal. Likewise, people do not adhere to the asset allocation and are overweight on the particular asset class. Even equity being overweight on equity is also not advisable. So you should strictly adhere to your asset allocation over your financial life. There are people who will either will not diversify, and or while I doing TV shows, I come across questions where people have invested in 30 mutual fund schemes, which is over diversifying and which does not help you generate better returns. So you should diversify, neither over diversify nor under diversify. There are people like the instance I told, uh, person coming to me showing the 10 years back investment. So yes, so if you do not review your investment, you may probably lose on your returns during some of the period when the particular investment is not generating adequate return. You have to rebalance the asset classes also. And the most important mistake which people do is they stop investing through SIP when the markets are are down. This is against the average tendency. जब मार्केट में अगर टमाटर सस्ता होगा तो वाइफ बोलेगी अच्छा 20 रुपए मिल रहा है, 2 किलो लेके आना, अपन सूप बना देंगे। जब सोने का भाव कम हो जाएगा, टीवी पे मैडम देखेगी तो वाइफ बोलेगी सोना सस्ता हो रहा है, खरीद लो। बट व्हेन द इक्विटी गोज डाउन, द साइकोलॉजी वर्क्स इन रिवर्स। जब मार्केट इक्विटी रिवर्स नीचे जाएगा तो लोग अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट बेच देंगे या अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट बंद कर देंगे। और जब पान वाला, रिक्शा वाला, सब लोग अगर इक्विटी की बात करने लगेगा, तब लोग कूद पड़ेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट करने को। ये सबसे बड़ी गलती अपन इन्वेस्टमेंट में करते हैं।